Hello custodians. Hello students. Today we are going to study about poster making. So let us study about poster making. First, let us understand what is poster. A poster is a catchy way of displaying some information or idea for the general public. It is a useful means of making an announcement or appeal, issuing a notice, advertising a product, or bringing about awareness on any issue of the public interest. A poster does not have any fixed format. However, it must have the following points. So, let us look at the points. What are those points which are important for poster making? Theme, topic, or event. So, it should have a clearly specified topic, whether it is about pollution, whether it is about land pollution, water pollution, global warming, child labor. It should have a clear theme. But and second thing should have purpose and occasion. On which occasion, whether it's on Environment Day, on Child Labor Day, or what. Date, time, and place. In case of an event, it should have a date, time, and place. Next, the message to be conveyed. What is the message you are going to give through your poster? It should be there. Catchy slogan and caption. Yes, it is one of the important thing of poster making, that the message to be conveyed, it should have a clear message. Now, catchy slogan and caption, it is important because like Jal Hi Jeevan Hai, so the more catchy your slogan would be, the more better your poster will look like. Impressive pictures, cartoons and illustration. You can add whether it's pictures, cartoons or illustration in poster making also. Bright and attractive layout. It should look beautiful, not have some dull color. Name of the individual or organization. So if it's from a government side, whether it's a Ministry of Education or Ministry of Department, like, so it should have a crystal clear written that this organization is, so this organization is making this poster. So this is from my side. Now let us see an example. Let's understand poster making with an example. So you can see that design a poster against the ill effects of child labor. So see the picture. A child is carrying, instead of books or bags on his shoulder, he is carrying loads or weighing or taking something. So it had a good catching, like don't mar the future of India. Yes, children are the future of India. Then we have let the children go schools, with a slogan there, with a message there. Employing children as workers is a crime and sin. Another message. Now, what is the slogan? The stop child labor. So you can see that as I have told you in the previous slide. Now it is issued by Government of India. So that's it from my side. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you.